Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize performance metrics with Tableau, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start optimizing performance metrics with Tableau, begin by gathering your data sources. Identify the key performance indicators, or KPIs, that you want to analyze. Connect Tableau to your data sources by using the Connect pane. Choose the appropriate file format or server type for your data. After establishing the connection, review the data fields imported into Tableau. Ensure that all relevant metrics and dimensions are included. Once the data is loaded, start exploring it by dragging and dropping fields onto the worksheet. Utilize the Show Me feature to generate different types of visualizations. Select the visualization that best represents the performance metric you want to analyze. Next, create calculated fields for any custom metrics you wish to include. Use the formula editor to define these calculations clearly and accurately. With your visuals ready, focus on filtering the data to hone in on specific segments. Apply filters to your views and dashboards to streamline the information presented. Incorporate parameters to allow users to interactively adjust metrics according to their needs. Design your dashboard layout, ensuring a logical flow and effective use of space. Add context with titles, annotations, and tooltips to clarify each visualization. Use color coding and consistent design elements to enhance readability. Once your dashboard is ready, conduct a performance check to ensure it loads efficiently. Optimize data extracts by using incremental refreshes for large datasets. Adjust the aggregation level where necessary to enhance dashboard performance. Save your work and publish the dashboard to Tableau server or Tableau online. Share the dashboard link with stakeholders for collaborative insights. Continuously monitor user feedback to identify areas for further improvement. Iterate on your dashboard design based on insights derived from usage patterns. Regularly update your data to keep performance metrics relevant and accurate. With these steps, you can effectively optimize performance metrics in Tableau for better decision-making and analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.